Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about getting a premium VPN, ExpressVPN is one of the best options out there. And right now, you can get 3 extra months free when you sign up through my special link. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to buy an ExpressVPN subscription, activate your deal, and start browsing securely today. Let's get started. Step 1. Click the special discount link, head to the description of this video, and click my special link. This will take you to ExpressVPN's official website and automatically apply the 12 months plus 3 months free deal. The best offer available right now. Step 2. Choose your plan. On the pricing page, you'll see 3 options: monthly, 6-month, and 12-month plans. The 12-month plan is where you get the 3 free months, and it's the best value overall. Select it and click Get Started. Step 3. Create your account. Enter your email address to create your ExpressVPN account. This is where you'll get your setup instructions and activation code. Step 4. Choose payment method. ExpressVPN supports credit card, PayPal, Bitcoin, and more. Pick the one that works best for you and complete your purchase. Step 5. Download and install ExpressVPN. After checkout, you'll be taken to your setup page. Download the ExpressVPN app for your device: Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Smart TV, or even router, and install it. Step 6. Activate and connect login with your activation code. Choose a server location and click Connect. That's it. Your connection is now secure, and you can browse, stream, or game privately. Pro tip: ExpressVPN has servers in 90+ countries and offers blazing fast speeds, so it's perfect for unblocking streaming sites like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and more. If one server doesn't work for streaming, just switch to another and try again. So that's it, the quick and easy way to buy ExpressVPN, activate your subscription, and grab 3 months free. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe for more privacy and VPN tutorials, and comment below telling me what you're using ExpressVPN for: streaming, gaming, or just staying secure online. Remember, online privacy is no longer optional. With ExpressVPN and this special offer, you can stay protected, unblock content worldwide, and save money by getting 15 months for the price of 12.